Okay, things clean up a little bit. So I went and blasted the manifold, got it cleaned up, flushed the carburetor out, cleaned it. So got a little muck off the outside. The carbon on the inside doesn't come out. The muck on the outside comes off with his solvent and stuff. Solvent, brake clean, stuff like that, we'll cut it. It takes a carb cleaner to actually cut the carbon though. Okay. Let's see what we got here to work with. We don't know yet. Quick carburetor rebuild. Pull this thing off of here. We know the accelerator pump's going to be trash. Some rotten gas falling out of here, so we'll try to catch some of it. You have two balls and a spring come out of here, so you gotta be careful. So there's your two balls, and there's gonna be a spring in here too. Should be a spring. Not seeing it though. Accelerator pump appears to be working, surprisingly. Looks like it's still good. But see how the ball is stuck on there though? That's not good. There it goes. That is not supposed to be stuck on there. It's supposed to be round and shiny, not dark and crappy looking. That'll be cleaned up pretty good. There should be a spring floating in there. I'm not seeing the springy. There it is, right up inside of there. Appears to be a little muck in places. See if we can get the spring out of here. If there's any spring coming out of there. It's over here on this side, that's why. There's our spring, see? Diaphragm still looks good. Looks like a genuine S&S one. It's got lettering in it. Put that back in there because it's clean. We'll blow it off. Yeah, it's nice and soft and rubbery, so it's good. Reuse it. The original ones fit better quality. Okay. The elementary school kids. Daily neighborhood walk. See all the mean people in the neighborhood are at. Off. The float is not supposed to be stuck up when there's no fuel in it. There, it's supposed to be like that where it goes down. So that was kind of sticking. The O-ring here appears to be pretty well mushed flat. Need to replace that. Definitely got some puke in here. It's a rubber tip needle and seat, so obviously it was a little stuck in there. Pull this all out. Okay, make sure all the orifices are cleaned out. Do not bang the top of this because it's very, very frail and it will screw it up. It's a very thin slot in there, and if you crush it, it's no good. It's all cleaned up. That'll be fine. The rest of the stuff you just got to clean the muck off of it a little bit. Now this one, the needle and seat was a little sticky in there, so we got to clean up a little bit. CRC on it works good. Bust up the lubricant, the stuff on the rubber, but not the rubber itself. If you put caustic cleaner on there, you destroy the rubber. It's no good, so don't destroy it. Okay. Check to make sure that still works. Looks okay. We'll see if it works. Put it back in and see if it works good or not. Okay, I'm going to clean this one here off also. Go out here and blow on it to clean it. Just making sure everything's cleared. The rubber tip helps to blow the orifice out good. Definitely working. Okay, they're clear. Just gotta make sure they're all clear. If they're plugged up, they don't work. So that one's clear. Continue on. Pull the main jet out. That was in there. These get plugged up and gummed up. I can see the hole through it, so I know it's not plugged. That doesn't mean it's not got crud in it, sealing it, making it smaller though, leaning things out. We'll clean that out later. Pull the emulsion tube out of it here. Let's get that out of my way. All these holes get all plugged up in here. You gotta go through and clean all these out and make sure they're clear. That controls your intermediate circuit. Gasket's fine. Here's your low speed jet. It's all covered in black goo, which is not a good sign. Hard to see through that one. We got to blow it out. Make sure it's clear. Blow all this stuff here off also. Just make sure it's all opened up and working. all open. You gotta put a bit through them and clean them all out, make sure there's no orifice plugging. So everything has air blowing through it, but I'll run drill bits through it and make sure they're clear up to full size. They're all corroded, so I just gotta clean all this stuff out. I don't know if you can see the hole through there, but it's got one in there. And then this here, you just basically got your low speed idle mixer screw over here. This is your choke right here. It's too damn big not to work. So I just have it open so I can blow air through it. We pull out our jet out of here, or not a jet, I mean our needle out. See how corroded it is. And mucked up full of crap. Looks pretty round and true, so I just put a little scrub brush on that to clean off the crap off, and it should be fine. Okay, we're going to replace the O-ring that's in here. Need a little scribe like this to get in there to get it out. Like that. Definitely replacing that one. Okay, I'm just going to blow the holes out on this, clean out whatever's loose in here. There's nothing really small in here except for the little idle circuit, which I'll blow through with a rubber tip on it. Okay, a rubber tip, put some air pressure to it. Nothing like 150 pounds of air pressure to clean out holes. Not much airflow. That's our low speed jet. Trying to feel where the air is coming out. Pretty small. I'm going to blow through that orifice there. It's going through, just not a lot of volume behind it. Mixture through a hole. Pretty plugged up. This doesn't sound very open. Maybe this is plugged up. Low volume through here is the problem. Pretty small tip. About a bigger one. Oh yeah, that's got some air through that one. Now let's see what it sounds like. Sounds a lot better. Oh yeah. A lot better. More volume. That's wide open. That's our choke circuit. Okay, that sounded a lot better once I open it up. With some bigger nozzle. That made a big difference doing that. This one's too small. That's for that low flow application. Okay, looks good. There. All right. So this is all opened up. Sounds good. Looks good. So everything else looks pretty good on it. So now I just got to clean up all the jets and stuff out of here and do that. So we'll do that in a little while. I got to go out and get a battery before the traffic gets any worse than it already is right now. It's pretty bad right now. It's 2 o'clock. It's going to be terrible. It'll take me 2 hours to get a battery. All right. We'll be back in a little while.